Come on.
Call back. She's also interested in the IA and Nirahara Samyama. Wow, this will be my first time speaking to my father in almost 1 year. My stepmother also reminded me that his birthday is coming up, so I'm going to send him a gift from the Galleria. I do not think I ever sent him a birthday present.
Pixie, I am with you. You will be able to complete. Come on, Manish, answer. What do you want to share?
So, Ma, have you gotten to all the incompletions of your life, Ma? Did you bring out everything and begin to do the completions? Yes? Did you get to the root situations in your life? Obviously, which involves your father. You know what I'm saying. Right? Did you go to see all of them? Did you get to see all of them first when you're sitting with the completions? In the mirror, did you start doing it? Did you find you did? Did you find the root and where it started? Great, yeah. So please continue doing that, and also once the more and more you do the completions, you'll see a lot of healing will start happening. And of course, Swamiji's energy is now there, right? You're going to carry it with you, and that will be the pillar of strength for you to move forward now with completion.
Tell your stepmother also to come for IA and Nirahara Samyama. Blessings.
Thank you, Ma. Yes.
Nityananda Swami. I have a small problem, Swami. My mother is 82 years old. She has loss of memory. And I phoned up. I spoke to her. I completed. But I'm sure because when I am saying something, she's talking something else.
See what I am saying? Go and sit with her actually physically. Complete. If you complete 3-4 times, her loss of memory problem will disappear.
Thank you, Swami.
Women have loss of memory problem when their extensions do not have completion with them. Men have loss of memory problem when their daughters are not complete with them. It's the usual thing.
Okay, sir.
So complete with her.
Okay.
She will be healed from the memory loss problem.
Thank you, sir.
Come on. Then before we go to the next person in this hall, we have Ma Sangeeta from Los Angeles who's saying wholehearted gratitude to Swamiji and others for giving us a new life. Swamiji, please bless my husband, 2 kids, Veda and Amy, to be connected to you, removing all obstacles that are in the way of coming to IA. Thanks for everything.
Tatastu. Blessings.
Thank you, Ma. But did you get to start to do the completions, Ma? Did you call and speak to people at home? Oh, it's night for them, this timing, no? It's night. Right now it would be night for them. But once you obviously go out, continue the process, right? Because inner awakening obviously doesn't end, it only begins. So continue doing whatever we started today and...
Hey, now the program doesn't end. The level 1 participants, please raise your hand.
Yes, Swamiji.
Now only inner awakening begins for you guys, you understand? So to digest this, you may need at least 3 months. Continuously do completion. Make it a spark so that after 2 months or 3 months you can come for level 2. So don't think program is ended for you guys. All the IA level 1 participants, please raise your hand. How many of you are planning for the level 2 at least next 3-4 months? So, Sangeeta, all you guys, at least before December, do the level 2. But work with you. First do the completion. And don't give a break without doing completion. Understand? Do the completion, then come back. We'll create the new being. Come on.
Yes. Swamiji,
Manisha, you finished then? You finished with them? Then you guide whom you wanted to.
Yes, please go ahead.
I talked to my dad. I didn't find any changes.
Not whether they move on to changing or not, you will see that they will also begin to experience completion with you. Are you getting what I'm saying?
Okay, ma'am, but now what I have to do with my father?
Now you have to continue doing the completions. I tell you what you're trying to do. You're thinking, once I do, that's it. Completion test is over.
Okay.
It's not like some physics or biology we read in school, where that chapter you'll read, you'll write in the exam and you can tear the book, like how I used to study. After every after every year, tear the book and throw it
Before
away.
exam itself, they will sell it to the juniors.
So,
No, I know. They will sell it to their juniors for half rate.
நானும் தான் சாமி
Huh?
நானும் தான் தேங்க்யூ
so what will you do?
do it again
Yes, there's no shortcut to this, no? It developed over so many years. It may take some time. The only thing you need to do is you should not be giving up on you, on the process, or on others. So please continuously connect with the morning satsang, the most important thing. Because Swamiji every day gives new things. Each day Swamiji is coming up with an ocean of new things in deepening the truth inside us. So when you are connecting with morning discourses, so many people have huge breakthroughs.
Okay.
And morning discourse is just a dot in the whole ocean that Swamiji is. Correct? So continue that. Continue the sadhana, which is the practice. It comes really with real sadhana. It's not like a one-time, one-day thing. Are you getting what I'm saying?
Yes, ma'am.
You getting? So somebody asked, I think it's Jesse Owens. Jesse Owens is that athlete, right? He's the Olympic all-time record holder, athlete. In some interview somewhere they asked, what is the real secret, the success of your... Every time he'll beat his own record. And that's, in that track when he runs, it takes like, in 30 seconds he'd finish it. Then it'll come to 20, like that. He tells, what he told, so brilliant. He says, the real success of that 20 seconds lies in the 365 days that I do my practice on the track. Every day he runs that 1 hour, whether it rains, whether there is sun, whether what happens, he's there on the track, on the time, every single day. You understand? Hours and hours and hours he does that for perfecting just what he does in 20 seconds at the end of it. And that is what life is. You getting it? So you may not get it with 1-2 phone calls. So don't feel, it's not happening. It's just like building a muscle. How you built your whole muscles, your body, over a period when you grew from a child to you that you are now, the complete being in you will mature and grow when you continuously do it. And today we did it only with 2 people because of the time constraint we had. You have to do with 200 people in your life like this. Isn't it? With everybody. Everybody. Don't think there's no one person who doesn't deserve for you to do completion. Do you get that? Somebody was asking in the break, completion, when I go to, how do I make them complete? It's not about them. Completion is only for you. You blessing you is completion, by the way. Are you getting what I'm saying?
Yes, ma'am.
So you'll continue the practice, continue doing it. Bit by bit, you will see, you will progress.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you. Yeah.
I'm complete.
Yes, go ahead.
Swamiji, I want to just give 2 lines background, then everybody can understand. My inner image has been, I'm not good enough. And not from this lifetime. I saw in meditations from many lifetimes I'm carrying this. So to cover up that, my outer image was to keep...
Did you see somewhere in the past life
Yeah.
you are connected to me?
No, I didn't see that, Swamiji. But I saw where I was getting my image from. And to cover that, my outer image was I was always running after every spiritual saint and always into spiritual practices, and that was my only mission and passion of life. So now I want to say that I knew some of these processes, but the crux was that I was doing them without first completing myself. So many times, like I would hear, and with my daughter, if I wanted to complete, I would tell her, you know what, I'm so sorry, I want to apologize to you, I really didn't. And every now and then I would say that, and again, it would just not have any lasting effect, even though I meant it from the bottom of my heart. It got clear to me only in this program. It is because I was incomplete. And from a space of incompletion, they can never be long lasting final results. So today, when I called my daughter and I again started, she started laughing on top of her voice and she's saying, again, you know. So then I had to tell her, no, just wait. You know what, Swamiji is sitting on the stage. I'm calling you from the hall. Just you've got to listen. So only when I said that, she started listening to me. And when I told her the thing, it was so simple. I just couldn't believe that. I mean, it's just so natural with the space of completion. When I just told her, she turned around and told me such a mature thing. She says, you know, Mom, I totally understand, because we are all incomplete and we are all carrying deep patterns from our lifetimes, and therefore our relationships.
Blessings. Tell your daughter also my blessings.
Yeah,
I'll do it.
And I want my 2 grandsons to come and do engineers, and I want my whole family to do inner awakening.
Tatastu.
Thank you.
Okay, so my request would be for all the level 1 participants, please come up. This your opportunity to share, especially if you're leaving today. So,
I just have a quick question.
If you've done, yes, please.
Nityanandam, good
Nityanandam.
evening, Swamiji.
Nityanandam.
I tried calling my dad, but he isn't going to pick up the call until I leave. So I'll complete when I go back to Canada. But I was thinking, should I email him then in the meantime?
I think you should try
Okay.
today again and again, because you are in the level 2 also.
Yes, I'm level 2 now.
Then I think you have to do the completion now, because
Right.
now in the level 2 you are going to do the creation.
Right.
For that you need to be available doing the completion.
Yeah, he won't answer the phone though. So
Then through somebody else you can tell that to call him, let him call you.
okay.
Nothing is possible.
I doubt it, but maybe with your
Try,
grace then.
please try.
Okay.
See, all the level 2 participants, please raise your hand. You are expected to do the completion today, and tomorrow there will be some more sessions and completions, so that I can start the creation job. Because now you are going to create the space for wealth, create the space for health. Now only the creation is going to start. Understand? Demolishing the old is good. For what? To create the new. If you don't create the new, just demolish the old and leave it. The land will become full of weeds.
Swamiji, Nityanandam. Swamiji, for completion with my father-in-law is such a cruel person.
To deal with life, because that only is called incompletion.
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes.
So you have to first be in completion with your own self to have that kind of connection with life.
Suppose if I talk, it may create a quarrel. What to do sometimes?
No, nowhere I said talk.
Uh-uh.
You're listening to as if I'm saying talk.
Yes.
That's why I was telling you, the listening has to really go up where you are. For that, your completions have to move up.
Yes.
You have to really sit with yourself and do the completions. Are you doing them?
Yes.
Not as much as it should happen. So spend more time on completing with yourself first, even before you go and kind of try to do completion with him. Are you getting this, ma? Because if you don't carry the space of completion, you don't need to go to someone who's as cruel or whatever. Even you go to a very nice, sweet person, no, you will just get incompletion from them. If you are carrying the space of completion, even the most cruel person can become like a flower.
Okay.
Not because of who they are, but because of who you are.
Yes.
The whole point is not about someone else is. It's all about who are you. That's the only thing that matters. Are you getting what I'm sharing, ma?
Yes,
Are you
yes.
staying back for level 2?
Yes, I'm.
You are, right? So you'll just get it by the end of the 21 days.
Okay.
I'm very happy you're staying for level 2, really.
Okay. Thank you, ma.
Because I was having a concern I was having that incompletion. Every break you come, I would pray, Swamiji, please somehow she should stay for level 2. Because I know it's not fully happening. The space is not kind of opening up. So I was like really, really praying. Good. So you're staying back, no, for level 2.
Thank you, ma. Thank you.
Good. Thank you, ma. Yes, ma'am.
Nityanandam, my father has left a long day back, and the time of his leaving.
Ma, talk louder into the mic, no? Ask the last row, can they hear you? And then.
Can you hear me? Now? My father passed away for last 5 years, 10 years back. And when at the time of his, I was not with him. He was crying, I want you to be with me. The time my daughter's marriage was there. So I have to shift from my father to, I only took care of my father's everything, whatever he needs. And at the time of he passed away, no, I was not there. But he was crying when I leave at the time hospitality. Was taking from to the hospital, bringing my body to the, not body, sorry, he is alive. He bringing to the house. That time we were so scared, and I want that time my marriage of my daughter.
Ma, talk louder, no, into the mic. Loud.
I want to get. I was away from my father's death at the time of his death. So what can I do? I'm praying always, every time, day and day, to Swamiji's feet. Please get rid of this thorn from me.
Bhairavika ma, adjust the mic, no? No, lift the height of the mic. Okay, no, ma. Yes. So, what's the question you have, ma?
Because at the time of my dad's leaving his time, no, I was not in the presence because he cried me when I was leaving the room out. But as soon as I come out to some work about my daughter's marriage, no, I came out of the room. That time they passed away, and that pricks me the whole day. Even if I.
So now he's not in there anymore.
No, now
he's
he's
passed
not.
away.
He passed
so
away.
did you sit with someone in the room and do the
Yeah,
completion?
I did it. Even in the
Okay.
mirror, I did. Even there, and when Swamiji is present, I want to take the thorn out from my.
Okay.
I'll do the job, ma. I'll do the job.
And you also wanted to do Maheshwar Puja, no?
Yes,
you,
ma.
You didn't have the photograph,
Yeah, I
isn't
didn't.
it? That's
Because
what
of
you
lack
shared.
of photograph, I can't do this.
I will communicate to you, ma, maybe next IA or sometime. You are in Chennai, no?
Not Bangalore only.
Oh, you're in Bangalore only, so you can come, no? So next
And-
time it happens, I will let you know, maybe with the photograph if you come, it'll be complete for you also.
Two of my brothers were there. It's not wrong to do. My girls in our customs, girls should not do these things.
No, but you are
No,
not
no,
doing
girls can do.
Huh?
All rituals girls can do, women can do. In Vedic tradition it was allowed. Only in Purana time
Yeah.
it was stopped. In Vedic time it was allowed. I took my mother for my father's cremation. My mother came to cremation itself.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you, ma.